New to building an email list? Hey, it's Auret here with essetinomedia. And after testing different strategies for growing your email list, we've found that attracting daily subscribers really just comes down to 3 key ingredients, which I'll be sharing with you in this video. And once you understand these key ingredients, you'll be able to implement them for your business or brand and start attracting subscribers as well. So let's dive in. So I'm a visual person and I like to see the entire strategy from a high level view and create this, which is called a funnel sketch. You know, from a high level, this is what you'll be creating. You'll be creating an opt-in page or a landing page, which allows people to opt into your email list. You need clear messaging on that page to persuade someone to opt in. And of course, you'll need a traffic source. And this could be from, any social media platform if you're doing content marketing or even paid advertising. So you need a landing page, clear messaging, and traffic. Let's break down each one with examples. So this landing page is something that you can create in your existing web platform. That might be WordPress, maybe you're using Squarespace, Wix, it really doesn't matter. But you need somewhere, a page, where people can opt in through an email form. And we typically just ask for first name and email, because as soon as you start to ask for a lot of other things, conversions go down. So keep it simple. The purpose of this is to get an email in exchange for offering something for free. This freebie is typically called opt-in freebie or lead magnet. You might have heard that term. This tangible thing that you're giving to them for free to your new subscriber can be anything from a free PDF guide, it can be a free training, maybe it's a series of emails like this that go out and offer daily tips. A good lead magnet really takes into account the pain points and the desire points of who your target audience is. And there's a whole strategy behind what lead magnet to create and to deliver. I do have another video on how to create a lead magnet, which I'll link to in the description below so you could check it out. But essentially what happens is when they opt in on this page, they'll be added to an email list that you can integrate with that page. If you have a platform like, let's say, Squarespace or Kajabi that already has an in-house email tool, then you don't need to get a separate email marketing tool, at least for now in the beginning. Maybe later on you might get a third-party tool as you really get deep and dive deep into email marketing, but you can use the ones that the platforms have. Or if you're using something like WordPress or a different web platform that doesn't have an email marketing tool, then you can integrate that page with a third-party email tool like MailChimp. There's so many out there. MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, ActiveCampaign. We personally use Kajabi for our landing pages, and we also use GetResponse as a third-party email tool. And I'll link to both of those in the description below so you can check them out. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to dive deep into platforms and integrations. I just want to give you a high-level view of getting email subscribers and what you need so you can get started. The second key ingredient, and it really is key, a lot of people will say you need a whole bunch of other things, but not many people talk about this. You need clear messaging on your opt-in page, on that landing page. The email follow-up sequence that you send out to people, the email tool that you're using, the number of pop-up boxes on your site to capture those emails, none of that matters if you don't have clear messaging. So what do I mean by that? I'll demonstrate this with a couple of examples. So this is an example of one of our opt-in pages, which gets an email address in exchange for a 30-minute free YouTube strategy training. At the top here, the first thing that you see when you land on this page is a headline that speaks to the benefit of the free training. So what am I going to get out of this as a visitor landing on this page? Well, you can leverage your expertise to build influence and you can learn how to turn YouTube viewers into customers. Right off the bat, I'm saying, why should someone care? What is the benefit of this freebie, this lead magnet, rather than what it is, if that makes sense. So I'll give you another example here. This is an opt-in page that I designed for one of our clients who is a personal trainer / nutrition coach. He has this nutritional guide that he's giving away. And again, right off the bat, at the top here, it says the flexible dieting guide to eating healthy for busy male professionals. I instantly know this is about helping me eat healthier, and it's saying who it's for as well. So If I'm a busy male professional, I know this is for me right away. Then it says, doctor and fitness trainer reveals a method for how you can stick to a healthier diet despite your busy schedule without sacrificing your favorite foods or social life. So again, this is something that's touching upon the desire that I want, the benefit, how I can stick to a healthier diet without the pain points that, typically comes with doing that, like sacrificing foods, like not having enough time to eat healthy. You really want to make that clear at the very top of your page, and then further down the page, you can say what's in the free guide or the lead magnet. And going back here to our example, we're saying what's actually in the 30-minute free training. What are you going to learn? And then you can have a section below on who you are and credibility, trust, any sort of logos or testimonials you can include here as well. And then going back to our funnel diagram here, key ingredient number 3 is a consistent source of traffic. So for us, we teach how to consistently create content that organically sends traffic to a page, to wherever you want them to go. In this case, it's your opt-in landing page, so that someone can get on your list. I really always like to encourage people that if you're not someone who has a lot of resources, maybe like not a team or a budget for paid advertising, or time, you don't have much time to dedicate to multiple social media platforms, then just choose one. Because if you focus and get really good at marketing on one platform, you can really get good at sending a lot of traffic to that page. And that's what we do with YouTube. Our one platform is YouTube, and just recently we're starting to promote on other platforms like Instagram. Choose one platform, go all in with marketing on that platform, and continuously sending people back to your opt-in page. And there's an art to doing this, right? You don't want to just keep blasting every single post on that platform with opt into my page, opt into my page. There's a way of doing that. And there's many videos on this channel. I'll link to a couple of them, particularly one that talks about how to provide value on social media. So I'll put that as well in the description below for you. But you'll notice on our YouTube channel, on our YouTube videos, we include the link to our lead magnet or newsletter in the descriptions. And again, it's clear messaging in the descriptions as well, a clear call to action. Always think back to that clear messaging piece. So what's the first step in setting all of this up? The first step you want to take on is really to think about what is that lead magnet? What's that freebie that you're going to give in exchange for asking for an email address? Really think about why should someone opt into your email list. So again, I'll link to that video on how to design a lead magnet in the description below. But if you need some extra guidance, or you just want to outsource this, whether it's the lead magnet creation or the design of this funnel, I'm happy to help. That's what we do here at Essetinomedia. So I will also include my email address in the description below, so you can connect with me and we can discuss your project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.